All right, guys. My name is Jack, and I'm here from Summit Independent Insurance. And today we're going to be talking a little bit about durable medical equipment. So, some of you might have needed a wheelchair before or even a hospital bed, and that would be classified as durable medical equipment under Medicare. And a lot of people have questions about what Medicare is actually going to cover and just kind of the process of getting this equipment covered by Medicare. So we're going to go into that, just a brief video today. Without further ado, let's get into it. All right, let me just move my little face. What is durable medical equipment? Well, Medicare Part B provides coverage for equipment that is prescribed by a Medicare enrolled healthcare provider. So that's going to go ahead and be your doctor. And it's got to be durable, right? So it's expected to last at least 3 years. And it's useful to someone who is sick or injured. And it's also medically necessary. And that's a big one. Here are some examples that I've included. This isn't by any means an exhaustive list of durable medical equipment, but it kind of gives you an idea. So, blood sugar meters, test strips, canes, commode chairs, continuous passive motion machines, CPAP machines, crutches, hospital beds, nebulizers, oxygen equipment, patient lifts, pressure reducing support services, traction equipment, walkers, wheelchairs, and scooters. Those would all be considered durable medical equipment. How do you get it covered by Medicare? That's the question, right? No one wants to pay full price for any of this stuff. You're going to want to use a doctor and a supplier that is contracted with Medicare. So your doctor needs to accept Medicare, and the person that you are purchasing the equipment from also needs to be contracted with Medicare. And then you're going to go ahead and go to your doctor, and they're going to fill out a form that is the proof of medical necessity form. And they'll know exactly what this is if they work with Medicare patients. And basically, it's just a form that, what it sounds like, provides proof of medical necessity for you. And once that form is filled out, your doctor is going to send that to the supplier, and then the supplier is going to send basically all that information to Medicare, and then Medicare is either going to approve that or deny that. Participating versus non-participating suppliers. So suppliers participating in Medicare can only charge coinsurance plus the Part B deductible for the Medicare approved amount. And this coinsurance could range from anything from nothing, right? So if you have the Plan F and it gets approved by Medicare, well, then your Plan F is going to plug up that other 20% and you're not going to pay anything. If you have the G, you'll only pay the deductible, so on and so forth. So you are subject to some coinsurance depending on the plan that you have. Suppliers not participating in Medicare are just going to charge you the going market rate for whatever it is that you want. And depending on the durable and medical equipment that you're getting, that can be quite expensive. Okay. So you're going to want to make sure to get this covered by Medicare if you can. And I included a link here at the bottom. This is just a list of Medicare contracted suppliers, and you can find that on the Medicare.gov website and just look up durable medical equipment suppliers on that site, and it'll give you a list with their phone numbers and addresses and everything. Very helpful tool. Used it many a time for our clients, but you can do it yourself as well. All right, let's just go over everything real quick. You're going to want to make sure your desired item is classified as durable medical equipment by Medicare. Once you do that, you're going to want to have your doctor fill out the proof of medical necessity form. Once you do that, you're going to want to find a supplier that's contracted with Medicare. And the last thing is you're going to want to allow a considerable amount of time for obtaining certain equipment, not everything, but things like powered scooters and hospital beds, bigger items, that can take a while to get firstly approved by Medicare, and secondly, just supply chain issues today. It can take a while. I know that we had a client who, was quoted at about 6 months for a powered wheelchair. So that's something to keep in mind. You're going to want to get a jump start on this as soon as possible because it may actually take anywhere from 80 days to 6 months to get your equipment, depending on the equipment. Could be shorter than that for certain things, but for bigger items, 80 days to 6 months is a pretty accurate estimate. And I attach my contact information here. If you want to go ahead and give us a call or an email or check out our website, please feel free. We help our clients with things like this all the time, and we can go over your specific case in more detail if you're so inclined. So thank you guys for listening, and I hope you have a great day.